Today, we're taking a look at a rare 1992 promotional Hanna-Barbera Stars Cartoon Network light switch cover and stickers. This is a 1992 Cartoon Network affiliate promotional giveaway, still factory sealed in its original bag. It wasn't sold in stores, making it a rare collectible from the network's earliest years. Inside is a Cartoon Network light switch cover featuring classic Hanna-Barbera characters including Yogi Bear, Astro, Fred Flintstone, and Top Cat. Also included is a sheet of unused stickers featuring Pebbles Flintstone, Astro, Boo Boo Bear, Fred Flintstone, Quick Draw McGraw, and Elroy Jetson. Promotional items like this were produced to help promote Cartoon Network during its launch era, when the network's lineup was built around the legendary Hanna-Barbera library. Because they were made in limited quantities for promotional use, very few have survived, especially steel sealed. Let me know in the comments which character featured on these promotional items is your favorite. And like always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more grails.